Namaskaram. Very good morning to all faculty, parents, my dear children of Kendriya Vidyalayam. First, I like thank to Mr. Madhusudan Reddy. He is my classmate, working as a physical education teacher, Kendriya Vidyalayam at Rajmandri. Welcome to Fit India 2021. I am Jayashree Puvada, Secretary of Mamata Educational Society, Khammam. Today's topic is Fit India. Fit India was first established in 1993 by Suparno Satpathy. Fit India movement is a nationwide movement. It is a movement to take the nation on a path to fitness and wellness, encouraging people to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities and sports in their daily lives to strengthen of body and mind, like basketball, volleyball, badminton, kho-kho, kabaddi, etc. Benefits of regular physical activities are: reduce your risk of heart attack, manage your weight better, have lower blood cholesterol level, lower the risk of diabetes 2 and some cancers, have low blood pressure, have stronger bones, muscles and lower risk of developing osteoporosis, lower your risk of falls, improve brain health, reducing all diseases, improving your ability to do everyday activities. In olden days, the grandmothers and mothers are used to give oil massage and bath to baby, exercising their hands and legs. That where the fitness starts from our childhood. Yoga. Yoga has originated in India. Yoga means on union. Yoga combines physical exercise, mental meditation and breathing techniques to strengthen the muscles and relieve stress. The use of mudras in the practice of yoga are powerful tool for self-care and empowerment. Energizing mudras allow to improve mental clarity, energy and to increase overall health. Mudras. Jnana Mudra improves concentration and sharpen memory. This is like this, Jnana Mudra. Buddhi Mudra improves communication, such as improving internal and external dialogue. Shunya Mudra improves intention, alertness and sensory powers. It also purity and your emotions and thoughts. Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra, ability to activate dormant energy in body. Prana is the vital life force within all living things. Dhyana Mudra. It brings you deeper, more profound concentration. It can also helps you tranquility and inner peace. Surya Mudra, intended to increase the solar fire element in the body and improve metabolism and digestion. Apana Mudra is good for mental physical digestion and helps in eliminating waste material from the body. Ganesha Mudra helps in regain positivity and courage when dealing with hard times. Vayu Mudra is good for disease related to air imbalances such as gas related pain, flatulence, joint pain, bloating and abdominal discomfort. Rudra Mudra to improve clarity and concentration of thoughts, also empowered to achieve and reach highest potential or goals. These mudras can be performed at any place without any ground and easy to improve physical and mental health and helps you in the concentration of your studies. Extent of yoga. The 7 chakras are the main energy centers of the body from base of supine to top of the head. The stability of chakras can be maintained by yoga. First chakra, Sahasrara chakra, top of the head. This place is here. Agya chakra, forehead above between in the eyes. This is the place of Agya chakra. Visuddha chakra, base of the throat. This is place in throat. Anahata chakra, center of chest. This place. Manipura chakra, stomach area. This place. Swadhisthana chakra, just below the navel. Mooladhara chakra, base of the spine. These are all chakras, mudras and physical activities most important to your lives. I am introducing my faculty, Dr. Nageshwara Garu, Professor of Microbiology Department in our Mamata Medical College.
So thank you, madam, for giving this opportunity. So let me continue the topic, what was Madam was been saying to you regarding the yoga and the mudras and the chakras. So today I'm going to talk to you about the what is the health. So everybody knows what is the health actually. Health is defined as normally a well defined which is having a good mental status and also the physical status. So to attain this, the God has given us a beautiful body system which consists of the 12 properties. So among those I'm going to talk to you today on the systems of the body in a brief manner. So the first is the digestive system, which helps as the intake of the food and also helps in digestion. And also the digestive system makes us to take up the small molecules and eliminates the unwanted material from the body. So where the mouth, esophagus, stomach and the small and the large intestine plays a very important role in this digestive system. So coming to second one, the circulatory system. This everybody knows the blood is the main part of the human body, where we have around the 5 liters of the blood in every human body now. So this circulatory system mainly helps us to transfer the materials from the one part to the other body, where the heart, veins and the arteries and the capillaries plays a very important role in the circulatory system. And the next important one is the nervous system, where we have the importance in the for transformation and also the information systems. So where the brain and the spinal cord plays a very important role in the nervous system role. And next the excretory system, which helps in the removal of the waste products from the body, especially the urea, water and the CO2, and also the filters the blood. The main parts which takes place in this excretory system are the kidneys, ureters, bladders, urethra, and also as well as the lungs and the skin, and also the sweat glands also plays a very important role to take out the unwanted products from the body now. Respiratory system is another mode of the important system in the body, where it takes the oxygen and removes the carbon dioxide, and the major part, the trachea, nose and the bronchi and the lungs, alveoli, all plays a very important role in this respiratory system. And next coming up the skeletal system, where it includes the different parts of the bones, cartilages and the ligaments, where the human body is made up of 205 bones, and these bones are very important for the body, where it protects the organs and provides the shape and the support, and stores the materials like fats and the minerals, and also produces the blood cells and also helps in the movements of the body. Coming to the next system, is called the muscular system, where it helps in the contraction of the body muscles. So various types of muscles have been there in the body, like few examples like cardiac muscles, smooth muscles and the skeletal muscles. And the endocrine system is one of the most importantly plays and regulates the activities using the hormones and helps in the responses, and also which are going to be the long lasting. So we have the different glands in the body, like the hypothalamus, pituitary glands, thyroid glands, thymus glands, adrenal glands. Likewise we have the so many glands which contributes for the endocrine system. So next coming up system is the immune system. So immune system, everybody knows that it's one of the most important system right now, where the people have been really working for it to keep our body as a very, to make the body in a very good immune status. So body helps us, like immune system helps in the fight against the foreign bodies. So in this, where the white blood cells, T cells and the B cells and also the antibodies, macrophages plays a very important role in the immune system now. So coming to the other one is the integumentary system, where the skin and also the dermis plays a very important role in acting as a barrier against the various infections, and acts as a first line defense mechanism in the body. And apart from this, it also helps in the removal of the excretory waste, that is the water and the urea, and protects the body against the UV and against the sunlight rays. And next, the lymphatic system, where it helps in the stores and carries the WBCs that fight in the disease, where it collects the excess fluid and returns it into the blood, and where the lymph nodes and lymph glands and lymphatic vessels plays a very important role in this lymphatic system. The last but not the least, and the reproductive system allows the organisms to reproduce, which prevents their species from being extinct, and this where the ovaries and the testes plays a important role as a reproductive system. So these are the 12 systems which are very importantly in the human being, helps us to keep us in a very good health. So how to stay healthy now? So apart from the God-given 12 systems, we need to also take a special care to stay as a healthy conditions. Among these, I'll take up another few important things to give us a very good information about the staying healthy now. So the first one is healthy diet. So the healthy diet and the healthy, which are very much linked together. So as the old age says, like a good diet gives you a good health, and a bad diet gives you a bad health, and a bad health gives a weak nation. So it is very simple that we are what we eat, we become what we eat, and we will be what we eat. So the health is proportionally equal to the diet what we take. And what is important to take now? So the very well said everybody that eat more healthy foods, and it's one of the most importantly make a biggest contribution for your good health. So and more importantly, at this point of level, I want to give you advice to good students that the limit mobile usage also keeps you a very much of less stress, less anxiety, and keep you more and more healthy. And additionally, I want to add two important things. The which makes you always happy is be with your friends, which always give you good health and with happiness, and always smile at for the no reasons, which gives you a very good health. So I finally conclude my presentation saying that support Fit India movement and stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.
Last but not least, to encourage games and sports like running, walking, and yoga, whatever it may be, to make fitness reach school, college, university, panchayat, village, towns, etc. We explain different types of fitness like games and sports, yoga mudras, chakras, and human body systems. I appreciate each and everyone to participate in the Fit India movement by spending some time in everyday basis so that such movements can reach one to many. Swami Vivekananda said a single sentence: strength is life, weakness is death. Fit, don't quit. All the children, better to stay home, stay safe, and wear mask. Don't come outside without mask. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Thank you once again. Namaste.